Yo guys, TechnoSmart here. Happy New Year and welcome to 2018. So this is going to be my first video of 2018, and in this video let's talk about this budget smartwatch. But before we get started, let's watch this montage. So if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at TechnoSmart7. I post there lots of BTS stuffs. You guys will like it. Now first, let's get the unboxing out of the way. So here we have a classic white box with the branding G tab and its model number W600, and if you flip it around, we have all of its features. So let's have a look at it. It has an MTK6261A processor, 1.5-inch IPS display, 128 plus 64 MB storage, I guess. And other than that, it has some basic applications like calendar, browser, music, clock, and also it can track your steps. That is cool. And it has a camera, so if you want to capture pictures or record videos, you can do it. So just sliding that top part, we have the actual box of the watch, and on the front it says Smartwatch. So popping up the top, we have the smartwatch sitting on the top. Keeping that aside, we have a USB cable to charge this thing up and some manuals and warranty informations. So now as we have done with the unboxing, let's have a look at the watch. It has a really nice rubber band. It feels really comfortable when you wear this watch in your hand. So to the right side of the watch, we have the camera and the power button to turn on this watch. So let's turn on this watch for the first time right here. It makes some weird sound when you turn that on, and yeah, boom, we are in the home screen. And to the left side of the watch, we have the port to charge this thing up. We have the microphone and we have the speakers. And to the back side of the watch, we have the G-Tab branding. And if you'll pop that back, inside we have a battery of 300 milliamp hours. And if I will take that out, we have a port of SIM card and a micro SD card. So now as we have done all of that, let's see how this watch works. So bring your smartphone and watch together. Just go ahead and go into settings in your watch and turn on the Bluetooth, and then go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone and see the name of the watch, and then go ahead and press on it and it has connected. So now if you are getting any calls, it's gonna be on your watch, and you can also play music and all that stuff, which is really nice. And speaker is really nice for the price point. It is really awesome. I'm impressed with this speaker for the price. The display gets really bright outdoors and I have no problems when I was outdoor. The software is also really simple. When you're not using the watch, there is a simple clock. You can change the design of it, and if you tap on it, it's gonna bring you to the home screen. And here we have the app drawer, so you can swipe right and you will have other applications. You can record audio, you can play music, you can capture photos and videos. Camera quality is worst, of course it's not going to be great. Talking about the battery life, it's gonna easily take you the whole day without any problem, and it doesn't track your steps that well. I have tested it. It's not that accurate, but it is cool that they have included that feature in this watch. So the question is, are these budget smartwatches worth it? So my personal answer would be yes, it is. You're getting a lot for $15 to $20, like 1500 and 2000 rupees. And I think, yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and press that bell icon so that you can't miss my future videos. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at TechnoSmart7. So yeah, that about wraps up. Thanks for watching. This is TechnoSmart signing off. Have a great day, guys.